word reference. For example, look, we even get pronunciations oftentimes like this. Let's see. Let's go. This is fun. Let's do this.
water,
Water.
water,
Water.
water,
Water. Why does it say it like that though?
water,
Water. It's like he's surprised. Ooh, this is fun. Let's do the next one.
water,
Water.
water,
Water.
water,
Water.
water,
Water.
water,
Water.
water,
Water.
water,
Water. Man, this was fun. Let me just find another one. Choose, vote for a word, guys. We're going to do an accent test. Let's go. What are we doing? Let's do this while you guys think. Let's go.
glass,
Glass.
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 glass,
Glass. Ooh, that was good. What's that? Ooh, yeah, that's a nice one. I like this one. Let's go. I'm going to put the chat in the front here so people can see your votes. I'm not making this up. Let's go.
mirror,
Mirror.
mirror,
Mirror. It's so funny because these two are identical, really.
mirror,
Mirror.
mirror,
Mirror. I find it difficult to say mirror. Where is American? Where is American? Regular American. So people we don't get it. We don't have it.
mirror,
Mirror.
mirror,
Mirror. We only get Southern. No mirrors. Wherever you're from in America, other place. No mirrors, sorry.
mirror,
Mirror. Well, next. Yeah, you're right. I like that one. Let's go. Man, I'm having a great time. Let's see. Americans.
tomato,
Tomato.
tomato,
Tomato.
tomato,
Tomato. It's the same thing.
tomato,
Tomato. So here we are losing the lengthening of the R with the northern accent.
tomato,
Tomato. The T is different though. Listen to this. Listen.
tomato,
Tomato. It's like the T is different. Interesting. It's more of a fricative.
tomato,
Tomato. Here the vowel is different.
tomato,
Tomato. Tomato. I every time I click US Southern, I'm thinking of someone with a shotgun in a farm. I don't know why. Jamaican.
tomato,
Tomato. Tomato. Kind of like that. All right, next. Next, please. What do we got? Ooh, that's a good one. All right.
bear,
Bear.
bear,
Bear.
bear,
Bear.
bear,
Bear. It's a little too short. I liked the other one. Bear. All right.
bear,
Bear.
bear,
Bear. That's actually similar. Irish and American a little bit. Let's see.
bear,
Bear.
bear,
Bear. Well, it's still different though. Intonation a bit.
beer,
Wow.
beer,
Beer. No, that's what you drink. Do the Scottish people actually say it that way?
beer,
Beer.
bear,
Bear.
bear,
Bear. Love it. Next. Ooh, you guys have the best ideas. Let's go.
bath,
Bath.
bath,
Bath.
bath,
Bath.
bath,
Bath. A little less. Like the other two before were posh. This one is a little
bath,
bath.
bath,
Bath.
bath,
Bath. I think depending on where you are in Ireland, you wouldn't pronounce the TH like that. You pronounce it like a T. I've heard Irish people saying like 13. I think it depends on where you're from.
bath,
Bath. All right. No, I didn't do that one well. I'm not very good at my
Bath.
Jamaican. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I like that. Let's go. US.
door,
Door.
door,
Door.
door,
Door.
door,
Door. She's always surprised. RP, you're surprised.
door,
Door.
door,
Door.
door,
Door. Man, Scottish is intense. Don't mess with this guy.
door,
Door.
door,
Door. Nice.
door,
Next. Ooh, you thought of a great one. Right.
Garage.
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 Garage. I don't even pronounce it like that. I always said garage. He says
Garage.
garage. I never heard anyone say it like that.
Garage.
Garage. Okay, so I say it like RP according to this, and not whatever UK means. He still sounds like a southern, but in this southern guy. But in this case, yeah, I pronounce it like this.
Garage.
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 Garage. Wee man. Garage wee man.
Garage.
Garage. Garage.
Garage.
Splendid. Next. I'm having a great time. I need to start doing this. Ooh, that's a good one. Yeah, let's do that one. Let's go. Right. Let's start with the UK.
Daughter.
Say it again.
Daughter.
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 Daughter. Strange though, because he's pronouncing the T. I think the voice actor is not pronouncing it naturally. I would imagine Americans pronouncing it more like daughter, rather than not that I can do it. I know that I don't sound natural, but neither does he.
Daughter.
Yeah, I think it's more like daughter. I don't know.
Daughter.
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 Wouter.
Was that a water?
Wouter.
You want some water?
No, I'm good, but you can come here. We are having some fun with different pronunciations on word reference. We're having a great time, in fact. Yeah, we're pronouncing, and now how would you say, oh, this is perfect. We got a native English speaker with an American accent. Boom.
Well, like, do you want me to say it like Southern?
First say normally.
Daughter.
Can you get closer?
Daughter.
See, I think I was right. I was closer. Because this guy here doesn't sound natural.
But people, they would say, like my papa or my mama, they would say daughter.
Daughter.
They very, very emphasis on the you. She's my daughter.
I know, but and that's how he pronounces it. So they get the southern guy right.
Yeah.
You're gonna hear it. You're
I
gonna
would say daughter. Yeah.
You're gonna
Oh, no.
you're
Is
gonna
it
love
really
it. You're
bad?
gonna no. I think he's great. He's one of my favorite. Are you ready?
He's gonna go.
Let's go.
He's gonna go daughter.
Yeah. You ready? Let's go.
Daughter.
How did you like
Do it
it?
again.
Okay.
Daughter.
Hey,
Daughter.
yeah, but listen to the regular American because he sounds kind of strange. I think the voice actor didn't do it
Oh, okay.
nice. Didn't do it right.
Daughter.
Oh yeah, that sounds crazy.
It sounds strange, doesn't
I
it?
think he's like trying to pronounce daughter.
Yeah, he's trying to pronounce it like to be correct, but it doesn't sound natural.
Daughter.
Daughter, that was pretty good.
Thank you.
Try some Canadian accents. That would be fun. The only thing I know that they say is that they say sorry,
Sorry.
right? Instead of sorry.
And they say, I'm gonna do this probably wrong, but
Don't
they
worry.
say coach.
Oh yeah, they have the. Oh yeah, they have the O. They have that sound as well in Ireland and Scotland sometimes, depending on where they're from.
I'm not doing it right, but it's like, yeah, you want to sit on my coach?
Yeah. It's like
Something like
coach. I don't know how to do it, but I do know exactly the sound that you're talking
Yeah,
about.
they go-
And they do say sorry. Like that's when I hear that, because otherwise, to me as a non-native, they sound like Americans. But when they say sorry, I'm like and then I can recognize it immediately. And I mean, even your mom still doesn't pronounce my first name right.
Oh my god. Well, the thing is that half my family don't even try.
That's fine. I don't mind. To me, it sounds charming.
They're all so southern. They're just like,
Raffaello.
Raphael.
Your dad says it like that. He actually gave up. He just says Raf. But your mom, which is fine because even my mom gave up on it and she just said Ra. So
Ra.
yeah, she gave up on it.
Rafa.
Rafa. It's like, Mom, why didn't you give me such a long name if you're not even gonna bother? But your mom usually says Raffaello. I think.
Oh yeah, she does. She likes to say the whole name.
But it's yellow though. It's like yellow, rough
Yeah.
blue
Yeah.
at this point. It's Raffaello.
I know. Well, can you imagine her saying that?
I think if we like broke it down to Ra and then she says Ra, like
Fa.
Fa, E, Lo. I think what makes it difficult is A, E. Maybe you don't have that sequence of sounds.
no idea.
I. Do you ever do I? I. Not really. You have a, like place, game. Maybe you don't have I. So Raffaello is how you pronounce it, but people just simplify it into Raffaello.
Hammer. Hammer.
Hammer. Hammer. He's always like,
Why is he so scared?
he's scared. I don't know.
Hammer.
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 That's good. It's nice.
Hammer.
Hammer. She had a little bit of a terminal, a rising terminal at the
Is
end.
it a question?
Exactly. I wish that we had Australian in here. That would be great. They need to add Australian. Come on, word reference. Australian and Kiwi. What are you doing?
Hammer.
Is this correct? What's his name? This is Yorkshire lad. Where is he?
Hammer.
He says hammer.
Hammer.
Hammer. Irish.
Hammer.
Hammer.
Yeah, they.
Hammer.
Yeah, the Irish pronounce their R's.
Yeah, they do.
Hammer.
Hammer. It's like
Wait, did
inside.
did the Scottish, did they roll the R?
I don't think he did.
Hammer.
Hammer. Because it's like he's inside a castle
Yeah, go
in
ahead.
Scotland and he's being haunted. He didn't
Hammer.
really. Hammer.
Hammer.
Yeah,
Hammer.
we go.
Do it.
No.
Oh, come on. You're good.
Hammer.
Can you pass me that hammer?
Hammer.
The hammer.
Hammer. I
No,
love
I
it.
didn't do a good job.
I think you did great.
But
Hammer.
Hammer. He didn't pronounce the H, did he?
Hammer.
Oh, he did. Yeah, sorry. My bad. For all the Kiwis
have you ever
out there?
heard a kiwi, like an act like the bird?
No.
My God, they scream. But
So
I
do
tell you-
Italians, so I don't know what to tell you about
But I'll
that.
tell you one thing. I am obsessed with the kiwi. It's the cutest thing on the planet. It's so cute.
The fruit or the bird?
Both.
Yeah, did you ever see that picture that shows a kiwi bird? They cut him in half, and the inside is the fruit.
I imagine that's exactly what the inside of a kiwi looks like.
We need to find it. Let me put myself full screen, but we need to find it for a second. Maybe we should adopt one.
Okay.
Let's have a look here. So look at this. That's the real inside of a kiwi bird, and I don't even care. That's the one conspiracy
Yes.
that I'm willing to accept. This is it.
And they scream.
They scream.
It's like, ah!
Should we listen to a kiwi scream? Guys, let's do it. Let's find it.
Look at
Holy moly, that would scare me to death.
Did you see him running?
Yeah, I got a little confused with the scream. It sounds like a wraith.
He was hopping.
He was hopping indeed.
Bye-bye.
Holy moly, yeah, sounds like me when I'm not having pasta. Wow, that was great. Now we need to do the foxes when they scream. Wait.
Oh, no.
Fox scream.
Like at night.
At
they
night in the
literally
forest.
They sound
Yeah.
like women.
They sound like women, but it's really scary. Check this out.
But that one sounds like a baby.
Yeah, no wonder legends of like haunted forests. Could you imagine that?
Yeah.
But sometimes they do sound exactly like women. Let me see. Fox scream like a woman. There you go.
Oh, wow. No.
I mean,
But it's fine, whatever.
well, the end a little bit
Kinda.
sounded like someone is being attacked.
The shoe bill.
The
You
what?
have to. The shoe bill literally sounds like a machine gun.
Did you? No way. Oh, this is insane.
Because it just goes
That's a machine gun.
literally. They're so scary.
Goodness gracious, that was insane.